contact Sarasota Land Speeder, vehicle ID THX1138. Please return to your craft. Thank you.
I suggest we run a diagnostic of the shield defenses. Better to be safe than sorry.
I hope you enjoy your tour. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and I wouldn't do anything. That's it. Keep it moving.
Oh, excuse me, Captain. See, systems analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's active.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I'd have to fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in 8 minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with it. Go on, go. Tour droids. Really?
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors are opened, please proceed directly across the ramp.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Oh, no. Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
He's a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I have never seen that man before. Gotta go!
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get I don't like the look of this. It just got worse.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Just stay low.
Why?
Confuses their traction. Put your shields up. If they work.
This is no time for heroics. Thank the maker. Shoot it all! And you put that back this instant! Now, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place! The transmission.
I am Maz Kanata, and I come to you with an urgent message. The shadow of the dark side is spreading across the galaxy. My friends in the Resistance need your help. Even you. Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
R2, we are not going. R2, are you sure these are the right coordinates? I wasn't programmed for this! Watch out! We're done for!
Flash a minute, Star Tours.
There we go again!
Okay, flyers. Keep it tight.
I can't see a thing! R2, do something!
Star Tours, you shouldn't have come.
I heartily concur.
Execute them.
We're leaving this instant! R2, where are you going?
Nice move, Star Tours. All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done, R2. Now let's go! Here on Batu, Yes, Atu, I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away! Go away!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.